Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on this 1973 Plymouth Scamp. Now, I've had this car for quite some time, and I never advertised the car. And I just really like it, so I wasn't really concerned about selling it right away. But it's an absolute gorgeous car. The quality of this car is like none I've ever seen in a Plymouth Scamp. It's probably the nicest Plymouth Scamp I've ever seen. 318 automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Does have a aluminum intake, set of long tube headers, Edelbrock carburetor. Just a very, very nice quality car. Magnum 500s, raised white leather tires. The paint on this car is absolutely gorgeous. I don't see really hardly any imperfections to even point out to you on this car. If you look really close, maybe a little tiny little chip here, maybe there. Outside of that, I mean, this thing is just gorgeous. The chrome bumpers are in great shape. The trim and bright work on this car, great shape as well. The jams, the seals. That's just a little dirt there. Open up doors here and show you the door jams. The interior in this car is absolutely gorgeous. The seats, the door panels, the headliner sail panels, the dashboard, pardon me, carpeting, jams. Just a very, very nice quality car. I have a hard time even thinking about selling this car, to be honest with you. It's just, I know might not be for everyone, but I tell you what, these cars are getting to be super popular, and I love this car. I just love quality, so. Huxley, what are you doing? Got to get him in a video every once in a while. He comes in here and hangs out with me once in a while, don't you, buddy? Looks like this side door panel is very nice shape. Left turn, right turn, I turned the air on. Flipped the air on there, the AC kicked on, and it killed it. License plate lights, tail lights, turn signal on the left, marker lights. There's no bubbles or blisters on the bottom side of this car that I see to point out to you. Say the paint is very, very nice. It's going going to tell you something. If I'm telling you that I contemplated keeping this car, that it's probably a pretty damn good car. Because if it's good enough to go in my personal collection, it's definitely good enough for anybody else's. We'll shut the hood here on it. Take her for a little cruise. Hockey. Nice sunny day out in Iowa, into March, so pretty fortunate of the weather that we've been having. Car, runs good, drives good, rides good. Check out that beautiful paint. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. You can check us out on our website, www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call if you're interested in buying this beautiful orange Scamp, or maybe one of the other cars we have in stock. Or if you're interested in selling one of your cars, give us a call. We may be interested in buying one or a whole collection, so you just never know. We bought as many as 50 cars at a time, so never opposed to that either. Yeah, the radio does work too. I don't know if we got any.
Last a couple of years.
Even the 318's got some power. Runs pretty good, folks. It is a great car. It runs down the road nice. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.